Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today's box takes up the entire screen. So thankfully what's inside doesn't. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, so let's see what I can do without knocking everything over here. And we have the Sig Sauer MPX. Let's see, just got to get to it. We got the bag, you know, the styrofoam. This one actually has a Vortex Spark 2 installed on it. Let's take a look at that also, but let's see if we can get it out of here. Grab the magazine. And it comes with books and tools and paperwork and all that stuff too. Just like everything else we look at. So I'm gonna try not to knock the camera over. Set the box aside. And here we have it. So this is the Sig Sauer MPX K. Now this particular one is basically built on like an AR style platform. You've got an upper and a lower charging handle up top. This is a 9mm. Comes with single 30 round magazine, 4.5 inch barrel. It's got the aluminum single piece key mod upper. Like I said, AR charging handle. You know, it is just the most fun you're gonna have with a little pistol. So this is how it comes. Other than the Spark 2 optic that's on it, this is how the MPX K comes in the box. So like I said, it has a 4.5 inch barrel. This is classified as a pistol. It does have the 3-position stabilizing brace, or the arm brace. So this is not a shoulder stock. This is an arm brace, and I'm sure everybody watching is familiar with the shenanigans of arm braces. Now, the 4.5 inch length, you do have a standard A3 flash hider on here. This comes off, and you can put a can on this thing, put a suppressor on it, probably sit about this long, and just be whisper quiet. Yeah, so it's got ambidextrous controls on it, which is kind of nice. So you've got your fire controls here. It is ambidextrous. You know, mag release is ambidextrous also. So we'll show you that. Pop the mag in. So you've got your standard mag release on this side, where your index finger, and then you've also got one on this side. So it's a truly ambidextrous mag release, which is a little bit different than most of your standard AR platform. Does have a little hand brace in the front. Obviously, being a pistol, you can't put a forward grip on it. You can't put like a vertical grip on it, otherwise you're, you know, breaking all kinds of laws. So you just have a small little thumb brace in the front. So it's a gas piston operation. It's 9mm. You know, I mean, it's just a super compact, super fun. I mean, this thing, you can honestly, let's see, break this down, and this is going to fit almost in a shoebox. So any carry bag or something like that that you have, this is going to fit just fine. You can break it down just like an AR. You've got your front and rear takedown buttons here. So let's do this. Let's get this out of the way. And it's brand new, so it's going to be nice and stiff. And we'll show this to you here. If she's going to let me. Where is something to... I know I've got a mag base around here somewhere that's plastic that I can... Let's see. Whoop. There we go. Like I said, it's brand new, so it's nice and stiff. There we go. So it does take down, very similar to an AR. Your fire control group is going to be very similar. It does have, you know, charging handle and a bolt group there. Is a little bit different. You got a little bit different spring system and recoil system on it, because you don't have the full recoil system that you would have if you were using a standard AR, where you've got the buffer tube that comes all the way back in. So you've got a little bit of a recoil buffer right there underneath your charging handle. You do have this plasticky rubber buffer right here. But it's also 9mm, so you're not getting quite the punch out of it that you would with a 223 or 300 blackout or even a 308 AR. Very manageable, even with that 4.5-inch barrel. Super manageable round in this, and you know, like I said, put a can on it, put a suppressor on it. This thing is whisper quiet. I mean, it's a 9mm. It's not super loud as it is, but you know, put a suppressor on it. You're still dealing with a very, very short, very fun pistol. You know, because like I said, this is a pistol classified weapon. So you don't have a forward grip on it. You know, you don't have a full shoulder stock on it. If you choose to put one on it, you're breaking the law, and that's an SBR, and that would take a tax stamp to do that. But this in its own right, just in its iteration right out of the box, it's just a fantastic, fun, awesome pistol. You know, get out there, go shoot one if you get the chance. I'm hopefully going to get this to the range here in the next few days and put some rounds through it and get some film on it. I actually don't own this one. This one happens to be owned by the my local gun shop, Ted's Shooting Range. The owner, to be honest with you, I don't even know if she knows I have it right now. So maybe I just won't give it back. Who knows? But no, I'm gonna bring it up to the range. We'll put some rounds through it, get that on film so you can see just how much fun something like this can be. But yeah, I mean, you can, you know, it's designed to run sights, whatever sights you want. If you want to run iron sights on it, you want to run optic on it. Of course, you've got your key mod in the front. You can put a folding arm brace on it if you want, but it comes with the really awesome 3-position one. Like I said, everything's ambidextrous on it. The thing is lightweight. It's really not heavy at all. Let's see if I can get you a weight on it here. Bear with me. I don't think I have a weight on it, but I mean, this thing probably weighs 2/3 what my AR weighs. I mean, it's smaller. It's got a 4.5-inch barrel. So yeah. So that's it. That's the Sig Sauer MPX K 9mm pistol. Honestly, folks, if you have an opportunity to get your hands on one, do it. Go grab it, go shoot it. Find somebody you know that's got one, try it out. They are just a fantastic, great size, lightweight, easily compactable. You know, put your arm brace in and put it in a backpack. You know, this is a great way to have a great shooting 9mm 30-round gun in a very compact package. You know, Sig Sauer puts a lot of work and a lot of effort and a lot of R&D into their firearms. They've been around forever. You know, they're no slouches when it comes to this stuff, and their MPX series is you know, no different. You know, so you can actually buy this. This one, like I said, is the 4.5-inch barrel. You can get the MPX K sub gun, which comes without the arm brace on it, is just the pistol. And then of course there's the carbine, which is going to have an 18-inch barrel. It's going to be the full shoulder stock, but all the guts, all the firing mechanisms, everything's going to be the same in it. It's just your choice. Do you want to go rifle or pistol? I've got a lot of ARs. I run 223 and 300 blackout, but for a pistol, a 9mm, what a fun round to shoot. You can shoot this thing all day long. So it kind of takes you back to the days of like the old MP5s and things like that, where, you know, all these secret agent men or what have you are carrying these real small 9mm, essentially tiny carbines. But yeah, that's it. That's the Sig MPX K, and it's the MPX K PSB is actually the designation on it for the arm brace 30 round and the 4.5-inch barrel. Great little gun. If you have the opportunity, go shoot one. Go play with it. Go put a bunch of rounds through it and buy it. Add this one to your collection. This one's really nice. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns on it, leave it below. We'll hopefully get some range video on this one here pretty soon. I think they have them in stock up at Ted's Shooting Range in Queen Creek, Arizona. I'll put some links down underneath if you got to get a hold of one. They can ship it to you. But yeah, like I said, you have any questions, go ahead and fire away. But that's it for now. Desert Guardian, out.